Hello, love bugs, and thanks for stopping by the channel. This is Danielle, the tax craft lady. I hope everyone's doing good today. Excuse my background. I'm getting ready for this Halloween party this evening. Well, I won't say Halloween party, but Halloween event. Get ready to hand out some candy to the kiddos here. Where I live in Florida, we were impacted greatly by the hurricane, so we still want to put some fun in the kids' lives. Before I go any further, I want you guys to hit that like, comment, share, subscribe, and definitely hit that notification bell so you don't miss none of the good stuff I'm bringing to the table. So let me get into this video about business formation. Now, I do business formations often for people, and I had a few questions that I wanted to clear up and get answered. One person said to me, well, I was going to do it for a year or 6 months before I formed my business. Bad idea. You need your business to be legal. No matter what type of business you're in, if anything happens, you could be a hairdresser and someone have an allergic reaction or something and decide, I'm going to sue you. All that's going to come down on you. If you have your business legalized, those things go toward your business and you're protected in certain ways. So you also want to present your business as legal, as a upstanding business, as a business that people can look back at. Or, have you ever bought something and you weren't satisfied and the person just gave you a hassle back and forth and there really wasn't any way you could track their business or what they've been doing or how upstanding they are, and you didn't get anywhere, or a refund or exchange or anything? So you also want your business to be legal because of that. Also, with business funding or business loans or capital that you're trying to get, if it's working capital, if it's, you want to be able to grow your business, you have to be legal. You got to have a business bank account. And for your business bank account, you need your business to be legal. It needs to be, for us, it needs to be registered with the state of Florida and your county. Also, registering your business, there are different state and county laws. I know here in Florida, you not only have to register with the state, you have to be licensed in your county. So those things all matter. Not only that, when you do register your business, you will need a registered agent. And this is the person that keeps up on all those filings throughout the year that you may have to do. Even as simple as your annual report. So you stay legal, you stay active. That needs to be filed by your registered agent. And many people ask, why do I need that? I can do that myself. Plenty of people say they could do it themselves, but they don't keep up on the filings that they need to do throughout the year that is required for your state or your county. And those things, you need to know dates and things like that when they need to be filed. So make sure you get your business legal. Not only that, when you do start the process, whether it's with your bookkeeper or a company online like LegalZoom or this or that, people have said, I see, I can start this for $49. Yes, you can start it for $49. You cannot complete it for $49 and become legal. With those sites, what they do is they break each service up specifically for a fee. And so then that $49 ends up being $500 or $1,000 or even more, depending on what you want. And for my service specifically, I charge a certain fee and that's it. I let you know this is what you get for that fee. and if there are any other add-ons and what their fees would be. Also, when getting your business legal, you need to make sure your business credit is on point, because like I said, if you need to get some working capital or a loan, or even those PPP loans or any type of loans that you were getting, you need to have a company that they can verify and check that is legal. Now, a few people revealed to me that they got PPP loans and their business wasn't straight and this and that, and they filed under this. Well, you want to be legal, okay? Don't have any way for the government to come back to you and say this is fraud or this is illegal, whatever it may be, because it may not be today, it may not be this year, it may be a year or two from now before the government catches up to you, but they do catch up to you. Also, some things I wanted you to know for when you do start that business formation, things that you need to have in your mind and ready for, just say you're reaching out to me, hey, you want to form your business. I form businesses all over the United States, or you're a bookkeeper or you're an accountant, or even if you're trying to go online and pay those other fees or whatever and do it yourself. You need to have know what type of business entity you want to have, whether it's a sole proprietor. And a sole proprietor is basically the easiest one, but there are certain things that you can't do as a sole proprietor. So, excuse me, let me just read the definition of a sole proprietor. Like it says, they're like I said, they're the easiest and most popular because, you know, you're staying to yourself. But there's a catch. A sole proprietorship, you don't have any liability protection. Means your personal assets can be used to satisfy business debt or legal judgment. And you don't want that. I mean, some people might, because they say sole proprietorship is very popular. But in any case, I usually recommend LLCs to a lot of clients because this protects you. It's a limited liability company. You get liability insurance. You want to do this for the simple fact that you don't want problems with your business coming back to be on your shoulders. And none of the members, whether you have members or it's just yourself, none of them are reliable for a liability that could happen in your business. Then there's also, if you wanted to form a corporation, that means you have many more members than just yourself. There's C Corps and S Corps, and usually with your accountant or bookkeeper, you will decide which one would best fit you. There's also a partnership. Just say you and another person are going into partnership, but usually you're working on a specific thing or a specific thing that you're working on. Just say you're building an apartment complex, or you have a duplex or something. You want to go into partnership with someone else because that is what you two have in common. There are partnerships that can be a little different, but like I said, your bookkeeper or accountant or whoever, they will explain those type of things with you. I'll also do a video where I explain each one, probably next. But in any event, you guys got to get your business legal. It's going to the new year on the right foot and in good standing. So get your business legal, get your business credit right. And of course, I do all that. I'm a credit hero. I do credit repair, business and personal, and business formation. So hit your girl up, the tax craft lady, Danielle, and I can get you straight, or even just answer any questions that you may have on the topic. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe on the video, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss none of the good stuff that I'm bringing to the table.